Assalamu alaikum everybody. I hope you are fine by the grace of Allah. I'm also fine today. So guys, now I'm gonna make a video right now, and I will make
Hey
this video
brother,
properly.
what are you doing now?
Can't you see I'm making a video?
Video.
Yeah.
You shoot this video.
Yeah.
What type of video you shoot?
I'm gonna make English video.
English video.
Right.
Why you use this language?
Don't you know this is an international language?
Why you use this language? International languages, drop it. You use Bengali language. It's my mother tongue.
Who are you, bro? I will make this video in English.
Brother, it's a very bad language. English language is bad. Drop it. You use Bengali language.
What do you do?
Brother, what do you do means?
That means তুমি কি করো?
Brother, আমি কাজ করি ভাই।
কাজ করো।
Yes.
তুমি বুঝবা কি করে কাজ করো এই কারণে তো বুঝো না। You don't understand, that's why.
ব্রাদার এই সব ভিডিও আপনি থামান ভাই, এই ইংলিশ
শোনো,
ভিডিও করেন কেন?
ইংরেজি-
আপনি ভাই বাংলাদেশে জন্মগ্রহণ করছেন ভাই, বাংলাদেশে এই ভাষার জন্য যুদ্ধ করে আমাদের কত ভাইরা মারা গেছে, আপনি ইংরেজি ভিডিও করেন না বাংলাদেশে থেকে নিয়ে?
শোনো ভাই, শোনো, আমাদের বাংলাদেশে কিন্তু অনেক বেকারের সংখ্যা দিন দিন বাইরেই চলতেছে।
It doesn't matter this type of language, it doesn't matter. Yeah, it doesn't matter brother. It's a very wrong system. You use Bengali language, it's a very bad language, English language.
No, I will not use Bengali. All time I will say English because I wanna viral, and besides
It's a very good thing, it's a very bad thing. Yes.
it's not bad. I think
Yes.
it's so right for me.
No
And
brother,
I will viral
It's a-
and শোনো, ইংরেজি হচ্ছে ইন্টারন্যাশনাল ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ। তুমি যদি ইংরেজি ভাষাটা জানো, পৃথিবীর যে কোনো দেশে যাবা, জাহিরা কথা বলতে পারবা। বাট তুমি যদি না জানো ইংরেজি ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজটা, কথা বলতে পারবা না কিন্তু। আর যে কোনো জায়গায় যে জব করতে পারবা, চাকরি করতে পারবা এই ইংরেজি ভাষাটা জানলে। সো দ্যাটস ওয়াই
Yeah,
উই হ্যাভ টু
right.
লার্ন ইংলিশ।
you think it's right.
Yeah.
আমি এরকম ভাবে কখনো ভেবে দেখিনি এটা।
একটু ভেবে দেখবেন। আপনি তো কাজ করেন, বোঝেন না কিছু।
Sorry
এখন
brother,
থেকে-
sorry.
এখন থেকে আপনার কি ছেলে মেয়ে আছে?
No brother, it's okay, you carry on this
Are
type of
you
language.
married person or unmarried?
No, I'm not married.
You are
Just I'm
unmarried
single.
person?
Yeah, I'm bachelor.
Oh, you are bachelor right
Yes.
now. And do you do anything? আপনি কি কোনো কাজ করেন?
Yes, definitely. I'm doing work.
I work.
Yeah.
I work in the land. আপনি
Yeah, I work in
সাথে
the
কাজ
land.
করেন?
Yes, I cut the rice trees, and I cut the jute, and I cut the jute, and I work so many work.
Oh, it doesn't matter. But
And I cut the land. Sometimes
yeah.
I cut the land, and sometimes I cut the trees. This type of trees I'm cutting this type of trees.
oh, that's why.
It's okay, brother. Carry on. This type of language. I'm sorry.
Okay, no problem. Go. I make video properly at this time.
It's okay.
Oh, my dear brother, one
brother,
friend.
show me, please.
Okay.
আপনি
Do you wanna make video with me?
definitely, brother.
Okay, let's start.
আপনি যে ভিডিওগুলো করতেছেন বা আসলে আমি কখনো ভিডিও করতে পারি না, আর আপনি যে ভিডিওগুলো করতেছেন আমি বুঝতে পারি না যে আসলে কিরকম টাইপের ভিডিও।
Okay,
ক্যামেরার সাথে
okay.
আমাকে রাখেন, হ্যাঁ?
Okay, stay with me.
It's okay.
Okay,
ভাই,
my-
আমাকে দেখাবে তো, টিভিতে
Yeah,
দেখাবে না?
definitely.
টিভিতে দেখাবে।
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, ভাইয়া।
টিভিতে
Thank
মানে
you.
you can say you can see your face on YouTube.
YouTube.
YouTube
Yo,
YouTube
brother,
channel
it's a
জানো?
very big platform.
platform, right?
Yeah.
Do you use YouTube?
Yeah, definitely. I use YouTube. I have a small phone.
Yeah.
I have a small phone. I'm using this.
Do you have MB?
No, brother, I don't have MB. I'm poor people.
Okay, after after
people.
taking MB,
I don't have money. That's why I don't take MB.
okay, I will give you my channel name, and after taking MB, you will watch
What's
that.
your channel name, brother?
My channel name is Spoken English Nidhi TV. Okay,
Sorry?
Spoken English Nidhi TV.
Spoken English Nidhi TV.
That means-
It's a very hard name. It's a very big name.
So yeah, that time you will search Nidhi TV.
Nidhi TV.
Right.
Oh, it's
Nidhi
okay.
মানে
I'm so happy, brother.
stay with you. I'm so
Yeah.
happy to stay with you.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, no problem. So my dear brother, so
Okay,
have you
brother.
understand properly for what we are learning, for what I am learning English?
Definitely.
Understand?
English language is very high quality language.
Yeah.
It's an international language. That's why you learn English language and you use this language and you earn so many money. Yeah, that's why you learn this type of language.
Okay. Thank you so much for staying with me, and overall for understanding.
Yeah.
Okay. সো তুমি কি কিছু বলবা
Yeah,
এই
definitely.
ভিডিওতে তুমি কি কিছু বলবা?
ডেফিনেটলি আমি বলতে চাই যে আসলে আপনি যে ভিডিওটা করতেছেন এই ভিডিওটা সত্যি অনেক 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 ভালো। তো আপনি চালিয়ে যান এরকম ধরনের ভিডিও। আমি আশা করি আপনি অনেক বড় হবেন, লাইফে অনেক বড় হবেন, এবং আপনি আমাকে অবশ্যই আপনার চ্যানেল নামটা দিবেন, আমি আপনাকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করব এবং সাপোর্ট করব।
Okay, thank you so much for supporting me and for
Yeah.
talking these kind of things.
ওকে ব্রাদার।
Okay, my dear brother, I hope you find today and you are practicing well. And end of the video, all time I say that pray 5 times, right?
ইটস ওকে ব্রাদার।
Pray 5 times.
It's okay.
সবসময় তো আমরা এটাই বলি যে 5 ওয়াক্ত নামাজ পড়েন, right?
Yeah, definitely.
And we have a responsibility in the world because we have to give the invite of prayers.
Yeah, definitely.
Invite of prayers. That's why we have to say that. We have to say that before date, before our
Before date, yeah.
right? So I will say you pray 5 times and that's very important for you. And go to the next world. That time it will help to you.
Brother,
And
I
you
will go now.
yeah.
I will go
Where
now.
are you going?
Yeah, I'm going to land and I work.
You will work.
Yeah.
Okay, go. Okay, go.
I
Thank
will-
you. Thank you.
I have to lots
Thank
of
you,
work.
thank you
I have
for-
to I have lots of work. That's why I'll go there.
Okay, thank you for talking with me.
Brother, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah,
Nice to meet you too.
It's
Okay,
okay.
okay. So, my dear brother, you can pray 5 times, and beside that, you can help the poor people. It's very important for you. Every single day, you can just help the one people, and you can go to your area. There are so many poor people in your area. You can help that kind of people, and pray for me so that I can help the poor people. Okay, my dear guys, that's all today. I will see you with a new video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.